Hi friends, welcome to foodiebites channel. Today we are preparing Pulihora. Pulihora pulsu recipe you can check in my channel and it can be mixed instantly anytime.
Take cooked rice and allow it to cool completely. To that add sesame seeds which is roasted and blended. Now add Pulihora pulsu which we prepared earlier. If you like to eat tangy, you can add more Pulihora pulsu. Now add salt according to your taste. Combine it well. And keep it aside. For tadka, heat oil in a pan. To that add mustard seeds, jeera seeds, peanuts. Fry peanuts for 1 minute. Now add chana dal. Add green chilies. If you like to eat spicy, you can add more green chilies. And add curry leaves, red dry chilies. Now add turmeric powder and hing. Tadka is ready now. Add tadka to rice and mix it gently. With the Pulihora pulsu, you can prepare Pulihora instantly at any time. It is very easy process and very quick. And it is ready to serve now. Very tasty temple style Pulihora is ready. Enjoy the authentic South Indian taste. Temple style Pulihora. Hope you all liked the video. Thanks for watching.